Hey everybody, Future Dakota here, coming in because something really important and a big thing about it, showing how science is always being added to and always changing. As of this recording, I made this giant recording here giving you an update about Colossal and the de-extinction process they have been doing. I should make, as of when this happened, the woolly mammoth genomes have been added, to say the least, to this little video because the woolly mammoth mice are now a thing. That is right, folks. The woolly mouse has been shown off as of, this recording. So, adding a little bit of that, the reason why, and if they're cute as hell, the woolly mouse has been used as a little basis genome. Basically, what they wanted to do was test how to make animals have winterized traits. So like you have an elephant that has winterized traits like long hair, big thicker skin, the blubber and such that you want to have and that you would see in the mammoth for when they bring it back. So they tested it out on mice and they created the woolly mouse, to say the least. And it is cute beyond belief. So even a big, huge update like that with genetics has been shown off. It is a huge week for it, huge time especially, and hopefully nothing is added while I'm recording this. Now, back to the past me. Welcome everyone to another episode of Dino Times. I'm your host, Dakota Morgan, coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona, and today we're going over a little bit of a news update. As of this recording, paleontology news has been a little bit light, but we are going to be still talking about something prehistoric, as we are going to be covering the updates of the de-evolution going on by Colossal, the company in charge of doing de-extinction of multiple prehistoric species, one of which including, most famously, the mammoth. So let's dive into the recent updates done by them. First, we are going to be going over the iconic Dodo. Some of the recent Dodo updates are they developed a machine learning approach to identify genes associated with craniofacial shape and bird gene for editing targets toward resurrecting the Dodo's unique bill morphology. Now, a little clarification too, I am taking this directly from Colossal itself on their news postings. Update 2 established a flock of Nicobar pigeons, the Dodo's closest living relatives, to serve as surrogate parents for future Dodo chicks. Update 3 used genome-edited chicken cells and successfully hatched chimeric chicks. These chicks' offspring will act as surrogates for future de-extinct Dodos. We've had hatching, folks. We've had it. Update number 4 processed over 10,000 bird eggs and developed groundbreaking techniques such as extracting edible cells from feathers and improving precision gene editing tools. That's the Dodo update for you, and some really good ones to say the least here. That is fantastic. Now we have one of some prehistoric predators, well, more or less, the thylacine de-extinction update. Update 1, they have reconstructed the thylacine genome, estimated to be 99.9% accurate, including centromeres and telomeres. Like, look at that. We're there, folks. We're doing it. Update number 2. Isolated long RNA molecules from soft tissues in a 110-year-old preserved specimen. That's getting DNA from one found in the ice. Update number 3. Fertilized single-cell marsupial embryos and cultured them over halfway through pregnancy in an artificial uterus device. A world first artificial insemination. Look at that, folks. Developed a new associated reproductive technology, aka ART, to help introduce ovulation in dinarts, leading to ovulation of many eggs simultaneously. Like, update number 5. Prototyped artificial ex utero development for early stage marsupial gestation, aka a lot of things here helping to go forward and giving it what we're looking forward here is basically the pre-work. The pre-work being eggs and then also mammals. How to get them, how to breed them, how to get it pre-set up, ready to go so they'll be able to grow and adapt, but be able to just grow as something here, as an organism from de-extinction to get to the baby stage. We're looking at this early stage development, and it's happening now thanks to AI, thanks to a lot of teams over there at Colossal. It is happening now with the thylacine and also the Dodo. Now, I will say, as of this recording, I did plan on doing a mammoth update that was on Colossal, but it has since been taken off. Let's take a look here together, folks. I have not seen too much for them, but we will go over. We're going to go over their 5 goals for reviving the mammoth. Now, since the news is kind of gone here, who knows what that could mean? It could mean some good things. Be like, changes happen and things are going a little bit better. Could also mean the opposite. But the 5 goals for reviving the mammoth, the big thing that Colossal's being known for right now, Number 1, increase resilience of habitats to climate change and environmental upheaval, aka restore what we damaged. 2. Develop new tools and techniques that will contribute to a global effort to save modern elephants from extinction. Which is true, because if you can conquer the mammoth, the base genome, the base species from which elephants evolved from, guess what? You'll be able to clone a lot of your elephants and save them from extinction. Because the genetics are going to be similar but different between different elephant species. Contrary to belief, there's more than just elephant. Number 3. Understand the genetic basis for cold adaptation in animals. Translation 2, for layman, for body heat, external body heat, and regulation of body temperature there with long-haired animals, and how the long-haired animals will be able to shed, how they'll grow their hair but not too long, that sort of thing. 4. Drive advancements in multiplex genome editing. Again, this goes to what it was when you have the basis here of editing genomes and editing DNA, then you can go forward and transfer to different species. Number 5, demonstrate that it is possible to bring back an extinct megafauna species. As we just talked about for those other species previously, those aren't big megafauna. We need to show that we can bring back the megafauna. As an ex-zookeeper who worked with megafauna for many years here, rhinos and such like that, it'd be great to be able to see them come back from the extinction, for one, especially the mammoth, but then also to know that when the animals that are endangered have a fighting chance. Pretty great. And that is going to be the recent updates from Colossal. Can't wait to see what they do here. And if they're listening, reach out to me here, because guess what? Would love to have you guys on the show to talk about the extinction on Dino Times. I've been your host, Dakota Morgan, coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona. And of course, as always, be sure to subscribe for more Dino Times here on the channel. Leave a like, comment down below. What do you think of this whole process here? Hate it? Love it? Let me know down below. All comments are welcome here on the channel on all the videos. So be sure, again, to subscribe here, everybody. Helps the channel out very much here when you leave that a like as well. But be sure to do the subscribe, because guess what? You get Dino Times, other paleo content, and loads of pop culture stuff. Doing fun new things here on the channel, and may or may not be launching merch soon. We'll see. Social media and my Twitch are in the description box down below, everybody. And of course, as always, remember, science is real.